Karbi Live Dimahasa Aratkar I Hemprek Mate Article 244A Aparmanaphan KADHASDCOM Lapen KRA Deliarong Sopi Bardanglo. Karbi Live Dimahasa Arat Akar I Hemprek Mate Article 244A Prabjin Pen pa Implementation Japan Karbi Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Turiram Ronghang Dimahasau CEM Debolal Garlosa Lapen MLA Bang Pliatum Chadon Sarpen Ridak and Ponsi KADHASDCOM Lapen KRA Atum Home Minister Amit Shah Prime Minister Narendra Modi Lapen State Home Minister Nityananda Rai Nitin Gadkari Union Cabinet Minister Sarbananda Sonowal Union Ministers of Parliamentary Affairs Kiran Rijiju Minister of State for External Affairs of India Babitra Margarita Phan Kachetong Jamjia Phan Delhi Rosopian Palitanglo Tere Poachiklo ni Pai Kraser Kebarni Karbi Dimahasau Autonomous State Demand Committee President Ajit Timung General Secretary Singh Timung Sukurterang Karbi Riswa Dorbar KRA President Biman Kro Karbia Dorbar President Mondal Singh Bay Atum Delhi Rong Sopian Policy Home Minister Amit Shah Prime Minister Narendra Modi Atum Aphan Kachetong Damjia Phan Pin Puralo Mate Memorandum Sitame KPK Pazir Damjia Phan Delhi Rong Sopian Palitanglo Difu Pen Bimol Singh Report Karbi Live